Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. Um, I'm back again with another boom and crash strategy. All right, I'm going to be keeping this video very short. All right, so this is a spike catching strategy, and you can use this strategy to grow your $10 account. All right, now I'm just going to go straight to the point. Okay, so before I show you how the strategy work, let me show you the setup. Okay, you click on this icon here, and then the first indicator we have to add for this strategy is going to be the moving average. All right, so first of all, you click on this icon, this one here, and then you search for the moving average. Now for the moving average, here are the parameters. The period is 35, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to is close. Under the style, we have 3 pixels, the color is red. You click on save. Now the next indicator here is the commodity channel index. Okay, now you search for the commodity channel index. Here are the parameters. The period is 14, the apply to is typical price. Under the style, we have 2 pixels. This is the color. You can use any color of your choice, right? And levels minus 100 and then 100. Okay, after that you click on save. All right, now the next indicator here is the market facilitation index, this one. All right, so before you add the market facilitation index, you are going to be clicking on this second icon here. All right, not the first one anymore. Okay, so you search and click on it. All right, so after searching and clicking on it, you can see these are the parameters. The volume is thick, the line weight is 1 pixel. All right, and under the style you can see this. All right, so you have to change this color here to black, and you make this one red. The remaining color, you make it the color of your background. Okay, so that is all for this one. After that, you click on save. Now the last indicator here is going to be the moving average. Like I said, you click on this second icon before you add the moving average. Right, so here are the parameters for this one. The period is 10, the shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to is close. Under the style, we have 3 pixels, the color is red. After that, you click on save, and you are done with the indicator setting. Okay, now this is a very simple strategy to understand, and I'm very sure some of you might have seen this strategy or something like this somewhere before. Okay, but I've add a little update to it. Okay, so now here is what you are expected to do, right? So you have to wait for the red moving average on the indicator window here to get below this. You see this green line here, right? You make sure you see that the moving average is below it. All right, so once you see that it has gone below this green line here, right, that is a signal for you that there is spike on the way. Okay, this is a spike catching strategy, like I earlier said. So once it get below there, you should be expecting spike. All right, now there are times when it will get there and there will be no there will be spike, but the spike will come very late. Okay, so in order to avoid that, I added this 30 moving average here. All right, the red moving average here, right, is the 35 moving average. Okay, so in order to avoid that, you are going to wait for it. All right, you are going to wait for spike. So whenever there is a spike and it has not yet break above this 35 moving average here, you are not to take any entry. Okay, so you observe when it gets to this below this green line here. Okay, you are going to be looking out for spike to break above the 35 moving average here on the main chart. Okay, so once there is that spike and it breaks above this, just like you are seeing here, that is when you should be taking an entry immediately from the top of that spike, and then your stop loss should go below that particular spike. Okay, so that's where you'll be placing your stop loss. And for the TP, you are going to be waiting for, you see this red moving average here on the main chart, to cross above this and to cross above this 100 level. So once you see that the moving average has spiked and breaks above this 100 level to this upside here, that's when you should be exiting the market. All right, so you can see in this case now, you see what happened here. It has crossed above the 100 level here, so you are to be exiting your market, or if there's any way you can hold for long, you can do that. Okay, but based on this strategy, you are expected to close at that level. Okay, because the market might start reversing from any moment. Okay, so that is how the strategy work. Okay, let me show you guys another example again. So you can see here now, this is what happened. This is where market is currently, and then you see, you wait for the red moving average to get below the the green line here. All right, the gray CCI line. So once it gets below there, you wait for your spike to break above the red moving average on the main chart. So this is the spike that breaks above it. You are expected to take your entry from this side here, this area here, and then your stop loss is going to go below this side. All right, the most recent structure the market make, and then you have to hold. All right, you hold till you see that this red line here has gone above this 100 level, then you exit. Right, and this is what happened here. So if you are to take this trade, you will be in profit. So you see, you hold till it gets there, and then you exit the market. All right, so this market now, if I'm to take it, I would have been out of it by now, and all that profit will be mine. Okay, so the strategy is as simple as that. Okay, it's a spike catching strategy. So once you keep applying this and you are consistent with it, there's no way you are going to tell me you will not be profit. All right, you will not be profitable in the long run. Okay, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys today. All right, so this strategy, you can use it on all the boom and crash pairs. Okay, boom, be it boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, or boom 300 and crash 300. You can use it on anyone. Okay, so make sure you backtest the strategy. All right, see for yourself. Okay, don't just take my word for it. Make sure you backtest the strategy for like a week or two. Or you backtest it, or you demo trade it for like a week or two before you go in with your real money. Okay, so before I forget, the zoom level for this strategy, you have to zoom out completely. All right, you zoom out completely like this, and then you zoom in twice. 1, 2. Sorry, let's go again. You zoom out completely, and then you zoom in twice. 1 and 2. This is the zoom level for this strategy. All right, I think that's pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Okay, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends also, so that they also may get the valuable information you are getting now, and they can use it also to make money. Okay, so I'll be closing the curtain here now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Silver.